Monday.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
Hi, everybody.
Happy Monday.
All right, guys. So right now it's about, I don't know, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. We are heading out to Cocoa Beach just to chill out, try to catch a fish. You know, we doesn't have too much luck catching fish, but we're gonna go now. We're supposed to go yesterday, but my beautiful family after church, we went out for a little bit and then we came home saying, okay, we're gonna leave the house about 5:30 to head out to fishing. But guess what? What happened?
We fell asleep.
And who was snoring?
Leah?
Sarah! So now we're heading out just to relax and spend the afternoon by the beach. So
And we are gonna try to catch some fish. Listen, it's not called catching, okay? It's called fishing. That's why we don't really catch much.
we're fishing.
The last time, the only thing we catch was a coal.
Alright guys, we just reached to Cocoa Beach. You glad you're to Cocoa Beach? So guys, that's what Dave wanna do. He wanna get a boat and pack up on the islands.
Oh yes. That's gonna be my next thing right there.
Oh yeah?
Getting a boat, yeah.
Alright. Alright guys, so we come over here by the bridge to throw some line and the net. Alright, let's see Dave. There's a big net. You don't think that's too big for you?
It's not professional, but I can learn, you know?
You gonna learn?
Okay, I'm gonna let go teach me.
Go pee?
I'm gonna pee right now.
Alright, let's see. Oh, not that bad. We gotta oil you up a little bit. Huh? Yeah, but that was good. Alright, let's see what this boy catch here. A deep? Let's see. Oh shoot, look at fish.
Jellyfish.
That jellyfish?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Oh. No way, Jose. The water look rough though. Yeah, water look. I'll wait till the sun goes down a little bit. At least you catch a jellyfish. At least you catch a jellyfish. Let me see. Huh? And deep. You got shrimp. Oh gosh! Nothing. Check out what's going on there. Somebody got pulled over, so we got boat police. Somebody got pulled over because they were speeding. Ay. Oops, I hope they don't go to jail. So guys, this is our spot that we come to every time we come out to Cocoa. We got our bait and stuff here. So check them out next time you come down. It's right off of the highway over there. Check out these little crabs, the redfish. This is bait, guys. Check it out. You should get some. So this is the pier, that guys, that you come and you fish at Cocoa Beach. See that? You catch a lot of catfish here. Catfish tastes good. Right, babe? Josh, you like fishing? We ain't catching no fish yet?
No, it's just starting.
We just started? Okay. Check it out. Nice spot. People are crabbing, so we're gonna try a thing.
Oh, that's better.
Mia, what you doing?
Play with Joshua.
Oh, you playing with Joshua? What are you guys playing? A sandcastle? Okay. I catch you, man, shaking it there.
Is this soca music, boy?
But you need to shake it in church, right,
I
sir?
do. I don't jump up in church, girl.
You jump in church?
Yeah, you just.
Wow, you just tell a big fat lie. All right, babe, so what we gonna do over here now?
This is a crab trap.
What you putting there, mullet?
This is a ladyfish.
A ladyfish?
Yeah, because manfish don't catch nothing.
All right. So we're gonna do this for the first time. We're gonna try to catch some crab, right?
Yep. So you know, you put the fish in there,
Uh-huh.
and the crab then they will come and they will swim in here, and then they can't come out.
All right.
Either the crab or a fish.
All right, let's see. We gotta catch something here today. All right, guys, check out the professional.
Crab trapper.
So, right there.
Yeah, you just want to, because they don't stay right by the water. But I can try a little more far for you.
Okay, good.
You're supposed to put any bait in it?
You have a bait, got a big fish.
Oh.
Very good. I can't. Just hold this thing for him.
Huh?
Hold that point for him. Put it in the can.
Anywhere?
In the can.
Any kana? Okay, kana.
That's a guy. He's watching. People don't know.
Oh, really?
They don't say in the corner.
Look, manatee.
Wait, see manatee?
Look, manatee
Oh, look.
right in front of us.
What if we catch a manatee, we trap?
Really?
Oh,
The whole tent is going. I like how
Wait, cleaning that fish to fry or what?
Yeah, Mom.
this one. Catch crab.
Oh. Oh, wow. So we just saw 2 dolphins right there. So that means they're feeding. Oh, I see it. You see it?
See them right over there?
Yeah. They're gonna come up.
Where?
Wait. Look
Look
at
that
them. You
way,
see it?
Dad.
I see it. Look right there.
You see that?
Yeah, right there.
Straight by the white sign. Yes.
Oh, I see the fin.
Uh-huh.
Leah, we doing with Joshua for to give him a pedicure with sand? Leah? Check out my fisherman son. I hear your grandfather is a fisherman. Grandfather there
From mother side.
on your mother's side. What your name?
Saraja.
Saraja. No, that's not Donya. That's not Donya father.
Oh, not that one. Ram in the same.
Ram from where?
Ram from Vajanujan.
Okay, Ram from Virgin Nugent. I Donya father, right?
Yeah.
All right, Josh, you see you have it in your blood. And now this is Ram grandson.
Yep.
great grand.
Oh, great. No, the daddy.
Oh, yeah. I'm Ram grandson.
He's Ram grandson.
Not Ram grandson. Ram grandson.
I didn't say Ram, baby. I said Ram.
Oh.
Like you hearing things about. Look at that cute little boy there, babe. Look. A little cute one there, right to your right.
That thing only flip over.
Oh.
Josh could probably sail that, right, Josh? Let me see. Fisherman there, boy.
Fisherman?
It's for the real.
Today is one of our subscribers, her dad's birthday today.
Yay!
Davy Suklal. Happy birthday to your dad from Davy. God bless you. We wish you many, many more birthdays to come. Right? From your beautiful, blessed daughter and family.
And from us.
And from us.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Bye-bye.
Huh? You well fishing there, girl?
Big stuff.
Sunny bite?
I don't know what happened.
Uh-huh. Wait.
Patience.
Patience.
Number 2.
I And virtue is grace. Correct. Correct. I'm a Sunday. Alright guys, so Dave pulling in the... Oh, look like something? What? We ain't got nothing. We ain't catching no fish on the rod and we ain't catching no fish, no crab in the crab catcher. The crab catcher.
Well, the crab trap.
Yes, the crab trap. Thank you, son. I didn't know what it was. Crab catcher. All right, babe, what we digging in into there?
This is food courtesy of
Diane
Diane.
from Caribbean Pines.
Caribbean Pines.
No, baby, it's not Caribbean Pines. Pines Caribbean.
Pines Caribbean. Look at this.
Bacon Shack.
Oh boy, I can't wait to start work on this.
Oh boy, let me see. Oh gosh, I'm looking good. Shout out to Diane, guys. Diane does catering and stuff in Orlando. How it is. Oh man, mama. Oh yeah? Yeah, let's just try it.
You can leave that right there.
You can leave it there, son. Ooh, pilau. Diane, that pilau looking good, there, girl.
Leave it.
Guys, we always get hookah from Diane.
Let me feed you first.
All right. Oh yeah, that's a real nice Trinidad pilau there, boy.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, right? Leah, you got Tizzy pilau. Come. Let me see.
Yummy.
Yummy. Like it? Like it? You know what? I'm gonna tell Auntie Diane on you. Don't tell Auntie Diane? Say you like it? Okay. Alright, let's see what we have next. Ooh! Giraffe.
Pork, giraffe.
No!
Pork giraffe.
Maybe. The giraffe pork, guys. Oh my goodness. Look how good that looking. Tell me.
Hold on, I gotta try a piece of the skin first. Hold on, let me try the skin first.
Smell good, boy.
It's real good.
Hey, put one in my mouth now.
Oh.
Gosh, boy.
Let me get a piece of pork.
Tastes real good. Diane, master. Sarah's putting bait on the rod. You know how to do that, Sarah? You sure? Who teach you to do that? Your daddy? Okay. And look what he did. He's sitting in chalk chilling. Ah, you got the AC? Josh, I like how you use fish. All right, let's see Sarah give it a throw.
No, you don't want
I want to see you give it a throw. Come on, let me see. Fisherman great granddaughter. Where's the name? Ram great granddaughter. All right, Ram great granddaughter. Let me see.
Sarah,
What?
don't hit me.
Ooh, girl,
Squirrel!
you did well.
You get it all
What you doing, Mama?
I'm painting.
You painting? You ain't catching fish no more. But how you mix all the colors like that? You got something, Josh? You got something? You got something? Yeah, roll it in. You sure it's not a rock you have?
He's gonna break Dad's rod.
Don't break it, don't break that rod. Mommy, what you doing?
I'm putting shoes.
Why are you putting salt in your shoes?
I don't know.
What kind of craziness is that, Mommy?
It's a spider.
That's not a spider.
It's a spider.
How that's a spider?
Yes.
Wait, what it says there? You got a fish?
I think so. I think I have
All right. Fisherman lady. I'm gonna go fisherman lady. Oh, Sarah got a fish. Look. A catfish?
No, puffer.
Oh.
a dangerous fish.
All right.
Dangerous fish.
All right, we gotta put that back in. Leah, look. Sarah got a fish. Watch.
Leah,
Wow.
see the fish?
Look, a fish. Look,
Leah,
Sarah got a
look,
fish. Wow. Leah, you're paying no attention to me fish. Good job, sir. First catch for the day.
Catch up with it.
The catch of the day, yeah. What are you gonna do with this fish? Man, we couldn't even get catfish, boy.
Oh, man.
Eating up the bait and thing.
I know.
We're gonna go back
They
in.
like shrimp.
They like shrimp.
That was a shrimp.
See him?
Yes, I see him. So ugly. Look at that ugly thing.
Poison's supposed to like seep out of their skin.
Alright, push it
It's
back
a
in, baby.
sushi.
You don't want to go.
Go, buddy, go. Go, buddy, go. Alright, you go.
Are you catching it, babe?
I think I had big fish here, but
Huh?
I think I had big fish here.
You lie. Let me see. Ah, seen bait, I seen bait.
Big fish, I thought it was big fish.
Ah, shoot, Sarah, look. Leah. Where's that yellow tail? Yeah, that's good fish, baby.
Yeah, that's big fish, big fish.
No, that's not bait, that's bait fish, that's yellow tail, right? Ooh. Nice fish, man. Nice scale fish, no? Give me some fry.
Some baby fish.
Some fried fish. Fried fish on down and rice.
Give it to Leah.
Huh?
Give it to Leah.
Okay.
Take it for Leah.
Alright. Oh, gosh, oh, gosh, oh, gosh, oh, gosh. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Ow! Ow! Oh, man.
Bite you?
Not yet, bite me.
Fish bite you?
Oh, check out this fish, guys. You like your fish? You like the fish? Okay. Anything?
No, baby, no.
Nada?
Nada, nada, nada.
Ay, ay, ay. Well, that fish gone, boy. Sleeping? Check the trap. Yeah? You liking it?
I just baited your rod for you.
You having fun with it?
Got it!
You got it? Like that. Watch. Don't squeeze it, okay? Alright, put it back in the bucket. Put it back in the bucket.
You got him, Mom.
You like it? Alright. See, don't put your hands in your mouth. So you like to catch fish? Yes?
He bowled her mouth.
Ah? Isn't he cute?
What pool? That's not a pool. Yeah. No. James, you don't even know how to swim. That's not swimming.
Leah? So who's your favorite mommy in the world?
I didn't remember.
Huh?
Didn't remember.
I mean, you don't remember. Only one mommy you have.
Yes.
What's your name?
Mommy.
What's my name?
Trisha.
Trisha.
Trisha Dokinanda.
Delky who?
Dokinanda.
Delky Lander?
Yeah.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
There, catch, baby.
Get your swordfish.
Oh, shit. Catch a swordfish. We ain't catching no cascadoo or no tilapia. We catching... Oh, look, that like a next little fish there too. Look, a colorful one. Look at there.
That's Nemo.
Nemo? No, Dave.
Alright, go put it in the
Pick
thing.
it up, Josh.
Pick them up, Josh. This one up, Josh. You grab it, Jetson?
Where did I put it?
In the bucket.
Look, there's another one there. Don't let it go, eh?
How much you get? A swordfish? I don't want to grab it. It's nothing poke me.
Just hold it by the head.
No, you grab it.
Joshua, come quick.
That thing look like a...
Yeah, pokes.
Oh my, look at that fish.
Yeah, Joshua.
Don't let chuck in on.
Once you open that, just do it.
Alright. Good job, guys.
That's how you teach that boy to start to cast that line.
What is it?
That's how you teach the boy to cast the line.
Alright, you gonna be a big, good fisherman.
Yep. You gotta take me fishing when I get old.
You hear that, Josh?
Right, son? So guys, this is why I'm teaching him now. So this is when I get old, he gonna take me fishing.
Okay. What do you think, son? Got something? Don't fall over there, you know. What you making there, baby Leah?
A cake.
A cake? What kind of cake?
A green one.
A green cake? Oh, what color is that?
I'm gonna make gray.
Gray cake? Okay.
I'm close, so I look big.
Zoom it in so you can look around there.
Oh my gosh, at least you tried, okay? You guys ready to go home now?
Yes.
Yes? Sarah, how was your outing catching fish?
It was very nice.
What about you, honey?
It was fishing.
It's fishing. Did you catch any fish, baby?
I had some small ones, but nothing to really say.
So we need to go somewhere to get some fish, right?
Yep.
We need to get a better spot. You know, we gotta ask Gopi where the spot of them is.
I know. I don't think it's the spot there.
Is it people? But I thought you was Ram grandson. You know how to catch fish?
I said rum grandson. I never said ram grandson.
Oh man, mama, I take the time blowing away. Okay, honey. You say, baby? I don't know which part on this boat Dave see a Trinidad flag. Babe, that is Florida flag. And then the one in the bottom back is the United States flag, okay? Hey, you know what? We Trini people all over the world, you know. Don't be jealous, you know.
That's why I thought it was a Trini boat.
Oh, okay. Don't be jealous.
You only laughing, but you're not helping.
Hey, I don't listen. This is what I have my husband for.
Come on, crab you catch.
Nada.
No.
And I was feeling to eat some curry crab, you know.
You eat some wind pie now.
Well, bye.
Yep.
Bye. Better take out that wallet.
Excuse me? I gotta get a loan now.
Alone?
Yeah, I buy all this fishing gear. I ain't catch nothing. Every time we come fishing, we gotta go catch fish in public.
On the fish market. Oh my gosh, but outside it's so beautiful.
Just coming out here was worth it.
Right? Yeah, just spending time with the kids, seeing Leah playing with the fish, Josh learning to fish, to throw the line, and then Sarah tried to hook she fish on. What's she do? She already in the car, look at Sheena. You had fun? Alright guys. Walk tomorrow.
I have school tomorrow.
Uh-huh.
I gotta walk too. She get money to buy some fish tomorrow.
Hi guys!
Hi.
Hi Josh. Hi babe.
Hi guys. We didn't catch nothing much today. Look, the board just catch a fish right there.
We ain't catch nothing.
The board catch a fish and we ain't catch a fish. We catch a couple small ones. Sarah catch a puffer fish. But beside that, it was fun being out here,
Yes.
just by the water, just smelling the fresh, rank, stink fish smell. No, I'm just kidding. The fresh sea air. Listening to some music, watching the kids, Josh learning how to cast out the line. It's nice spending time with him, especially me, how I work so much, having this time and seeing him that he finally learned how to cast out his fishing rod. It makes me feel so good. It makes me feel so proud of him,
That's awesome, Josh. Good job today, Josh.
Good job, buddy. Good job. Sarah catching a puffer fish. Hey,
We teaching she without having an apocalypse come. At least you know how to throw a rod or to catch a fish.
If you give your kids them fish, they're gonna eat for one day. If you teach them how to fish, they'll eat forever.
That's right, baby.
Yes.
That is right. Good job. Anyway, guys, this boy's smart enough.
They all staff though.
Well, time shout out to Pines Caribbean for all our food. She hooked us up with Diane. We love you. You're the best. And guys, please support Diane. She does catering and support them, okay?
Yes, big up to Raja and Diane
Yes.
for sponsoring the food for today.
Yes, yes.
Bacon,
Bacon shack,
bacon shack,
pilau, chicken pilau,
and pork jira.
This boy don't get it. It's not pork jira, my love. It's jira pork.
How you know that?
Because we jira the pork.
Well, you got the rule book, the cooking rule book.
Hey, I got Trini, boy.
All right, pork
I
jira.
like Trini.
Pork jira.
Anyway, guys, we're about to head home now. You guys just have a safe, blessed week. Thank you guys for all the love you guys been showing us. Thank you for watching our videos, the love, the support. We love you guys, and because of you guys, we could do this over and over again because you make it exciting for us. And thank you guys.
I want to leave here right now, but we have to work tomorrow.
I know. Yes, Sarah gotta go to work because you listen. If she
Yeah,
don't work,
she gotta pay
boy,
the bills. I tell you, if she don't work, she out.
that's a big fat lie. Nobody ain't coming out.
I charging she rent.
Not at all.
I tell you, as soon as she turn 18, I charging she rent.
Don't worry about this boy. This boy had not
It's
good.
been 3 years.
Guys, you see how we're sweating here? We turn off the AC just to talk to all you know. I feel like we're dying here now. Sun on the window, sun on the
Okay.
window.
And we left the windows. Wow.
And look at a nice breeze we have here.
And look at outside. Look
Oh my God, so pretty, so pretty. Right next to the water. Just jump on, we could jump in if we want. You see that? Yes, guys. So, again, happy birthday to Davy Suklal Dad from Davy and from all of us, okay?
Uncle, happy birthday. We wish you many, many, many more. And check out our channel. Check out Life with Dave and Trish. Tell Davy to show you so you will know. Big shout out to you.
Yes, we love you guys. Stay safe. God bless you guys. Until again. Bye.
Bye.